Hello everyone, and this is Valentina. I'm all the way from Florida, United States of America. I'm a realtor, and for me it's very important to have a nice smile. One point of time, year ago, I got a situation with my teeth, so I lost 3 teeth, and for me, I was start my venture to looking for the doctor to do implants, because I'm still feel young and I need a nice smile and I want my client will be happy with me. So after the long search in United States of America, I learned, yes, I can find a good doctor, but the price is enormous, is extremely expensive in United States. So I started looking on Facebook, I'm big in the media, and I found NURIDENT in Bulgaria. One of my friends, she was visit here, her relative live here, and I decided to take trip here. How do I contact to the office even without speaking Bulgarian? Probably help me because I do speak, I'm from Estonia, Tallinn, I speak Russian, but clinic here, they have professional people like Paulina, she is actually, I think she's a face of the NURIDENT Internal Dental Implant Center, because yesterday we drove in the city, we see her picture in a taxi, we see the picture on a car that's serving us, picking up from airport. So she's very professional. She's after I contact via Facebook and a messenger, she answered to me. I explained to her, she translated everything in English. So everything was done, set up for pickup starting from airport. If you decide to work with NURIDENT, Dr. Nuri, they treat you as a family. They pick you up from airport, take you to hotel, arrange your hotel with breakfast. Every time you go to the procedure, they pick you up. Right after procedure, take you back. And when you're ready to go home, they arrange you to take you back to airport. This is amazing stuff. I'm very very thankful to all this driver working very hard as a part of NURIDENT staff. I think it's about 40 people are working here. I'm not sure exactly, but the most important, what make me feel impressed, soon as I come in here, the all technology, starting from the cleanest shoes, they're using technology in the office, all way the very friendly staff, they're offering you coffee, tea, water, very nice lounge by the time you're waiting for your appointments, and everything, the first starting from the X-ray 3D. I calling this place one-stop shop, because you come here, you don't need to go nowhere. You come, you get 3D, doctor in a few minutes check you up, they give you consultation, will advise you what's the best solution for you, not because they want to make you to spend money, just because want you be happy, healthy, and smile again. This is a place also, the people don't believe me. My son, I brought him now after I come in here second time, he said, Mom, there's no way in 4 days I can make my teeth done. His teeth was done in 3 days actually. So my teeth, I have a classic implants, this is what I'm doing. So you need to, first you do it and take your 4-5 months when you come back to finish. Now you can smile again. Thank you, Dr. Nuri, and all his amazing stuff. And I definitely highly recommend you to anyone who looking for the health treatment, the best treatment with this professional stuff and great way to serve you from A to Z in all your dental needs. And this is Valentina. Thank you for watching.